Well, welcome to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing, y'all. I'm out here with Jerry. I grew up with Jerry in my neighborhood. I'm talking about from the 60s. His dad had a boat. My dad had a boat. He stayed exactly I'd say 2 blocks, because he had 1 block and then 2 half blocks that he stayed from my mom's house. I never fished with him and his dad. He never fished with me and my dad, but we all had each other's back no matter what. His mom, my mom. I mean, an example for this new generation of how things used to be. But anyway, we're out here in Texas City. The winds are up. We're going to try to throw some top waters, and then you know what I'm on. I'm on the flounder hunt, okay? Because flounder tastes better than crappie. I'm sorry, I tried. I mean, for years I said they both were the same. But the other day I finally sit down, and I don't know if my taste buds changed because I get a little older, but I doubt it. I know good food. Flounder just got it beat, man. I guess I got to soak them crappie fillets in hot sauce and try them like that, because that's the only advantage I gave that flounder. I soak them fillets in hot sauce after I dry them and clean them and soak them in vinegar water. But Texas City, Texas, man, the winds are up a little bit, so I don't have to get in a real big rush, because they're supposed to die a little bit, and that'll help us out some. I see a lot of cloud cover, no real full moon having the water lit up. Not tonight, but we'll see. I always get me some top water trout, so I'm going to try to do that and then flounder fish later. Jerry's over there getting rigged up, and we'll get back with y'all when we're out on the water, man. You know what it is. Hooked Up Fishing, man. That hard hitter and Jerry on an expedition today. We're going to try to get them later. Throwing top waters in rough water, y'all. That's what the ticket is this morning. Tide is way up, so immediately when I got in at the launch, I'm able to get in, versus the other time when y'all saw me getting in, I had to go out a ways because the tide was out some. Thing is, with this wind trying to blow you back in the pocket, like I told you, you got to try to get in and hurry up and get going. And I hate feeling pressed when I'm doing something, but oh well. Let's see if I'm getting too old for this. How deep do I have to be to get in? All right, that's about right. Maybe. Yep, that worked. You can try being shallower, Jerry, if you're not as tall. My rods drive in, get me some rods out, and get ready to throw some top waters this morning. Me and Jerry, go give it a real hard swing. Let me get out of your way. Water looks good, but got choppy conditions. Not pristine for throwing a top water, but I'm gonna get something out big and noisy. Taking no prisoners this morning. Some of the baits that I did all that work on, the smaller hooks in the front and the bigger hooks in the back. Got a couple with me that should be good. You already in and on it. I'm headed out there right before you can't go no further. And I'm gonna start out there. I ain't gonna even try in here. And I'm throwing a big super spook, not the little one, the biggest top water I could find. Try to Get 5 real quick, put them on ice, and then go flounder fish. My father-in-law likes them trout, so let Big Larry have at it. Tied me a loop knot this morning, y'all. I don't know about the camera angle. I ain't even checked. Let me see. Point it down some. Let's see if somebody want to try to take this from me. I was throwing a chrome the other day. Today I'm gonna throw a bone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back through here. Edit. No swivel this time. This morning I'm just going straight on, straight line. Make sure it's good knot. Let's roll. Check their temperature first anyway. See if they are in here. That screen out of my face. I don't really need it that much in salt water. Got that bait running. Loosen this drag. Fishing for trout, you don't need a whole lot of tight drag. I don't see a whole lot of bait. It may end up being this tide being in high like this, may end up on flounder. But of course I haven't went nowhere. I seen that. Let me get out here and get over here where the fish are at. I'll be throwing this big bone topwater, y'all. So stay tuned. I'll get back with y'all when I get over here where I want to fish at least a good ways out here. CCA tournament is over. There's no reason to target any of those fish that they had on the deal for being a winning fish this year, which were black drum, calf top, sheepshead, inshore. No trout, no flounder, no. The only thing redfish was a tag redfish, which that's what I'd want anyway. That's a guarantee. You ain't got to worry about size and weight. Somebody knocking you out of first place. Well, enough of that mucking around. It's time to get down with some flounder. If I can find one that want to dance. baits are used. It's all good though. Make sure that bait is straight. Let's try to get him. Try to get him, y'all. Gonna check and see if some over here before we go relocate. Like I said, we're on an expedition this morning. I gotta try out my new winch and all kind of stuff. So let's see if we can. Got very little weight on here, so I ought to be able to get up in there with him with this lightweight. Floodgates. That's what's next. Oh yeah, it ain't the last. We're gonna do it again. We will be doing it again, cause it's gonna eventually they're gonna be here. Down to the Texas City Floodgates. I'm gonna Jungle Boy style it to get down there, get on the fish. We ain't missed nothing, so hopefully it'll happen later. Yeah, you hit your alarm. Huh? You hit your alarm. You was up just enough for me to get by. Yeah. All right. Somebody told me that wall opposite the wall that he's on, sheepshead like crazy up against that wall, dropping straight down with live shrimp. So you might want to go in that pocket in that corner and see. You know what I'm talking about, Jerry? You taking your wheels off already?
Well, a bunch of rocks we're trying to get past.
Okay. All right. Deep. I know, that's what I told you. I ain't going nowhere. You talking about how far can I go? I was like, shoot, right here. I said, get in right here. Don't go no further. 100%. It's a Channel right out there in front of us. Got my coffee. That wall, that corner, 5 shrimp, straight down, sheephead. I'm gonna go live scope it for you. Might as well. Before we go over there, I'm gonna drop live scope. See what I see. If I see them over there, I'm gonna tell you how deep. I'm gonna live scope that corner and see. Morning, man. All right.
At Lance's restaurant, when you order red snapper, they serve you sheepshead, man.
Oh, I know, man.
Yeah.
I love them.
There's pretty good fish out there.
I love them.
I'll pass them up either, so.
I go with my buddies and I catch big trout and they'll catch a sheephead. I say, here. They think I'm crazy. There's a bunch of fish, Jared, chilling at 4 foot. Got some camera issues, man. Right when I got on the fish here, caught a couple of flounders. Try to get myself situated and see if I can stay on them here for a minute. Just get another bait. Segment, guys. Flounder ain't running through here in the floodgates just yet. The other day they didn't have many eggs in them, so I just had to come check their blood pressure. Nothing happening. Hooked up fishing. Got a hard hitter, and my partner Jerry was out here with me. Just didn't go down. heavier.
Huh?
Seems like mine's just heavier.
Bring it on up.
Go on, look at it again. See going.
Bring it up. Now hook it. What you want to do?
You can bring it on some more. Alright.
What you want to do? You ready to lift?
Well, I gotta move yours.
What you got going?
Trying to turn it off.
Don't worry about it.
You burn the transducer. I got it. Let me move it. Yeah, your stuff light as cotton. I don't know about this one. Might be worth the ticket. Oh. The winch kayak launch works, but it's a little work. It's less work than pulling it up, but it's a little work handling it. Trying to get the cable not to wrap up. That's it, man. Kayak launch worked and all that stuff, but I'm out of here. They ain't here. Going to Freeport, see if they gotten any better over there. Catch y'all in the morning.